If you're ready to become a full-time content creator and quit your 9-to-5 job, then you guys came to the right video. One common thing I hear a lot of creators say is that they cannot make money on TikTok, and they couldn't be more wrong. There are so many ways you guys could be monetizing your account, and that's what we do on this page. So make sure you guys subscribe so we can help you guys make money as a content creator. Anyways, guys, enough talking. Let's get right into the 7 ways you can monetize your TikTok account right now.
Hello, I like money.
The first way you guys can be monetizing your account is to be a part of the Creator Next program. Basically how this works is every single video you post has a chance to make money on it based on views and engagement, and this comes through the Creator Fund that is a part of the Creator Next program. The second way you guys can be monetizing your TikTok account is to be selling a service or product. I highly recommend just selling a service though, because it's super easy to sell a service that's going to help your audience. So basically, whatever niche you are, for example, if you're in the fitness niche, develop a fitness plan or a one-on-one consulting call and get into that call with people and start charging money for it. It's gonna be super easy, guys. People are gonna buy your call. If they trust you and they like you, be selling services. A lot of creators do not take advantage of their following. You guys can be making a ton of money if you just develop a few services, put the link in your bio and direct people towards it via your live or in a video. Say, hey guys, I'm selling services. Point at your link in your bio. Do not say link in bio. Point at your link and boom, you got sales right there. Because you're building a following that trusts you, and that's how you guys want to do it. You want to build a following that trusts you based on a specific niche and then start selling them on services or whatever you have to offer them, whether that's a product or a service or a call, whatever it may be. But develop a service and make sure you guys have a niche, because if you do not have a niche, you are gonna miss out on making it a lot easier for you guys, because of the fact if you don't have a niche, you're gonna not really have an audience that's gonna buy from you, and that's the biggest problem. A lot of people do not have a niche, and then they're like, oh, why is nobody buying my service? It's because you do not have a niche. The next way you guys can make money on TikTok is sponsorships or brands. So basically how brands and sponsorship work is you guys reach out, or a brand will reach out to you. I highly recommend reaching out to brands because it's actually a better opportunity for you, because you're able to actually work with brands that you want to work with rather than being forced to work with brands that don't really align with your content. And that brings me to my next point, which is work with brands that align with your content, aka your niche. Do not work, if you're a fitness account, for example, don't work with like makeup or something. Just work with what you post about specifically, and do not try to just make quick cash, because that's gonna lose your audience's respect. You want to work with brands that align with your content. So reach out to brands that you know you actually care for and you feel like would help your audience. That is a way to find brand deals. I'm actually gonna link a template down below of an email that you guys could basically take and send to brands you want. But of course you have to make it into your own specific way, but it's basically a template. It's gonna help you guys reach out to brands. The third way you guys can be making money on TikTok is affiliate links, which I'm gonna cover more in another video. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna be covering this more in detail of how you can actually use affiliate links to your advantage on TikTok and make a ton of money. But basically what affiliate links are is it's someone else's product or someone else's service. You're just gonna put that in your link in your bio and boom, you get sales from there. It's actually a pretty easy way to make money because you don't have to develop your own service or product. The fourth way you guys can be making money on TikTok is live and also video gifts. The fifth way you guys can be making money on TikTok is publishing sponsored posts. On TikTok, you can earn by publishing sponsored posts with an average of 1 to 2 cents per view on your sponsored post. So if that sponsored content gets over 100,000 views, you can immediately earn up to $1,000. The sixth way you guys can be making money on TikTok is selling merchandise. If you already have a business or you just newly started a business, you guys can use TikTok to get an audience and garner sales from TikTok users. So it depends what type of merchandise you're selling, but if you're an influencer or you maybe do fashion content, you can sell merchandise pretty easily, but it also depends on the type of content you're posting. But it's still a great way you guys can be monetizing your TikTok account. Now, I wouldn't highly suggest investing into merchandise unless you know your following is going to buy that merchandise. Please do not spend money on shirts and things like that if you do not know that your followers will purchase your merchandise. And that really depends on the type of audience you have. You should know if your audience is like really loves you and really says, oh, you know, I wish you made merchandise. Things like that that kind of initiate like, okay, I should make merchandise. Don't just go out and buy a bunch of clothing for your merchandise and then not get any sales. That's definitely not what you want to do. Honestly, start with some digital products so you know what type of audience you have. So like if you guys can sell products through digital so you don't have to make an initial investment, see what type of audience you have, see if they buy things from you, and that's a great way to start. And the seventh way you guys can make money on TikTok is making the right type of content to drive those sales. So whether you're selling merchandise, selling digital products, selling through your affiliate link, mostly just making sales through your affiliate link, it does not matter. You want to make the right type of content to drive those sales. So, and especially through your sponsored posts as well. So if you're doing sponsored posts, make sure you're making really good content. And that comes back to, you know, seeing what type of audience you have, basically developing the right niche, and then creating content that's different and adds value to your audience. And that's really a big thing, is to add value to your audience, because if you don't add value and you just make trends all the time, or, you know, trends are fine, but you don't want to do trends 90% of the time. I'd say make 50% of your videos about value, giving value to your audience, and then 50% funny, trends, relatable, things like that. But really add some value adds, because you're gonna be able to sell a lot more and make a lot more money on TikTok if you add that value. Anyways, guys, it's gonna be it for this video. If you guys want to subscribe, I got that affiliate marketer video coming out very soon. So if you want to learn more about affiliates and how you can make money through affiliate links and things like that, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. That will be our next video. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, like I said. Anyways, guys, take care, and we'll see you next time.